Hello friends, today I am again going to solve another extensor problem. If you will see in this problem, right, we have given one method, list difference method, and this method is taking three arguments, right. First argument is array, another argument is length of that particular array, and the last one is n, right. N is the particular number, right. So which number we have to find difference. If you will see the description of that question, right, they said that the function accept an integer, right, and this function to find and return the element of the array having least absolute difference with the given number n. They have mentioned, right, absolute difference with the given number. So it means that if you will see, they have explained also something like absolute difference means that you have to ignore the sign of difference, right. Maybe difference will be positive or negative, so we have to find this sign of that difference. Like suppose you can see they have given this is our array, right, 1 2 3, they have this is our array and this is the n, right. Suppose they have inputted n as 27. So when we will subtract this 1 from 27 or 21 from 27 from 1, so we will get a difference, right, minus 25. Suppose we have subtract 1 from 27, so we will find difference minus 26, and suppose we have subtract this 27 by 1, so we will get difference 26, right. So they said that ignore that right sign of that difference. So for solving this one, we have one absolute method, right, ABS. So we will use that method for getting absolute value of any difference. We have to find that element from this array which have least difference, right. If you will see 27 is our n and this is our array, so when we will check, right, this first element with 27, they have 20 difference is 26. So, and when we will check this second element 2 with 25, so different is 25. It means that 25 and 26, these two have this difference, right, absolute difference. And suppose when we will subtract this 27 by 22, we will get, right, 15. So 15 is still, right, still here 15 is the least difference. So we have to find in whole array, right, which is the smallest difference element, right. So when we will come with this 26, we will find that difference of this n and element of this array is only one difference, right. 27 and 26, between these two elements we have only one difference. So we have to find the least element from this array, right. So 26 is the our least element which have 26 is the element which have least difference. You can see that, right, here they have also mentioned, right, if this array element is 1, then difference is 27, right, absolute difference is 26. You can say that because our inputted n is 27. If element is 2, difference is 25. If element is 12, difference is 15, and so on. So we have to find the least difference. So you can see that least difference is 1 and the element of that array is 26. So we have to return this 26 from array, right. So let's solve this problem. So you can see that suppose this is our array, right, and this is our n. So first we have to find the difference, right. So suppose we have subtracted with this all element of array with an n, so we have, right, this is our difference, right. So it is actually absolute difference because it doesn't have positive or negative sign, right. And we have to find minimum difference. So minimum difference is this 1. So we have to find value of from that array corresponding to this difference. So value of that array is 26, so we have to return this 26. So let's program for this. So you can see that, right, we have one function list difference. We have to implement this function, and this function is taking this 3 argument as mentioned in question. So let's start solving this problem. For solving this problem, first we will create one variable, right, list variable, and this variable will be like the highest value, so that we will compare with, right, each and every element, distance of each and every element. Integer dot max value, right. So actually they have given error because we have used return type int and we are not going to return anything. So let's return 0 so that it will not generate error, right. Now we will work with this. So we have right, create one variable with the highest value so that we can check list, like list element, and we will create one variable like index. In starting we will put 0 so that we also take index of that value. Like suppose we will check, right, we will use, suppose we have one list variable, right. In this variable suppose we have high value, high value, right? Anything, suppose 999 is, sorry, suppose 9999. What we will do, we will take difference for between these two element, and we will put the check with this variable, like this list variable. If this difference of these two, right, this is suppose 26 is less than this list value, right, then what we will do, we will change this list value with 26, right, because in first element, if we will suppose we have only one element in this array, so it means that list element is 26, and we will take index of this 26, so index of this element is 1, so we will also, like, we have created one index variable, so in this variable we will use I, put I, so we have to do these two things inside that loop, right. That's why we have created this two variable, and here we will check, right, start. First we have to start a loop, int I equals 0, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. Actually you can see that if you will see, we have given like length also, so we don't need to use this one array dot length, we can use this length variable also, because this length have the this length variable have the length of this array. So let's work with this one also. Now we have to check, right, so we have to find difference. So for finding difference, we will use array of I minus, right, so our n is n, here n is greater than, suppose, sorry, yeah, less than this list value, right. Then what we have to do, we have to replace this list list with array of I minus n, and we have to find index of that one also, so we will put index is equal I. So if you will see, when we will use this one, it will generate a negative value also, right, negative difference also, so we have to convert this negative into positive, any negative into positive. So we have one method, right, that method is math.abs, right, and we have to put value inside it. So this method will convert any negative value into positive, so we will find that absolute value difference, and then we have to compare this absolute difference with this variable, right, list. And now if you will see that we have also to take difference into this list variable, so here we will use this math.abs, right, inside this list. So now here we will get index of that list variable, right, and this value. Now we will return, so you can see that if we have to return, we will return array of that index value, right. Let's run this program. Yeah, you can see that 26 is that element which have list difference, right. Suppose we will put 27 instead here anywhere, suppose we have put 27, so you can see that if we will take this 27, it means that we have this 27 element which have list difference, it means list difference is 0, so it will print 27. Let's run this program. You can see that it is printing 27. So this is our program. Thank you so much.